In today's video, I'm going to teach you what QuickBooks Online is. QuickBooks Online, often called QBO, is a cloud-based accounting platform that helps you manage key parts of your business finances in one place. It's commonly used to organize company details, connect bank accounts, send invoices, track bills, and run financial reports. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic flow so you can understand how the platform works and what you'll typically do when getting started. First, go to QuickBooks and sign up for an account. Once you're inside, head to the gear icon in the top right corner and open Account and Settings. This is where you'll set up the foundation of your account, update your company name, contact information, and address so your business profile is accurate from the beginning. This is especially important because those details can appear on forms and customer-facing documents. Next, open the Sales and Expenses sections in your settings. Here you can customize your invoice templates and set your default expense categories. Taking a few moments to adjust these options early can save time later and help your records stay more consistent. After that, go to the Accounting tab, or in some versions, the Banking tab, from the left side menu. Choose Link Account and securely sign into your bank. Once the account is linked, QuickBooks Online will download your recent transactions. From there, you'll review and categorize each transaction or match it to the correct account in your chart of accounts. This step is one of the most important parts of keeping your books clean and accurate. To create an invoice, click the New or Create button at the top of the screen. Under the Customers column, select Invoice. Then choose the customer, enter the product or service, set the rate, and click Save and Send. After that, you can track invoice activity in the Sales tab on the left menu, which makes it easier to monitor what has been sent and what is still outstanding. If you need to record money you owe vendors, go to the Expenses and Bills tab on the left menu and click Add Bill. You can also upload a PDF of the vendor invoice, and QuickBooks Online may autofill details like the amount and due date. Once entered, you can track these in your unpaid bills list, and if payment add-ons are enabled, process payments directly from the platform. Finally, click Reports in the left navigation panel, open the Profit and Loss report to review your income and expenses over a selected period, and run the balance sheet to see your assets, liabilities, and equity. You can also filter report dates, customize date ranges, and export reports to PDF or Excel for sharing or deeper analysis. That's the core of how QuickBooks Online works.